Nikon has finally presented its Z6 and Z7 mirrorless cameras. While both models have the potential to compete with some of Sony's best mirrorless handles, such as the A7 III, let's talk about the flagship Z7 since it's actually scheduled for launch soon. He is also the only one Nikon exhibits at his event here in New York City. For starters, the Z7 has a full-frame sensor of 45.7 megapixels, with a new body lens system called Z-mount. The new camera is powered by Nikon's Expeed 6 image processor and features a 493-point autofocus system that, according to the company, offers a coverage area of around 90%. Then it has support for 4K UHD video, a continuous shooting mode of 9 FPS and ISO of 64 to 25,600. If you're in the market for a camera with great video support, you can focus on the Z6. The Z7 records 4K with an APS-C instead of using the full image without binning, such as Z6. Both cameras will record video with phase detection autofocus, which is a big improvement over the D850. For more details on the video capabilities of the Z7, see our ad publication. In the hand, the Z7 is small, like other cameras without a mirror, but the sturdy grip gives a comfortable feeling. The body has a magnesium frame and weather seal, aligning with other professional cameras at similar prices, and the healthy range of ports on the left side is sealed with heavy rubber gaskets.